friends, in this video I will tell you how to make donut. First of all, prepare tools and material it advance, that is flour, butter, egg yolk, sugar, vanilla, milk that has been dissolved, vermipan, and salt. After the ingredients are ready, then put the flour into the container and give a little salt, then stir and add sugar. Then add vermipan, egg yolk, and dissolved milk. Then stir. Then add the butter. And add the vanilla. And stir. Until smooth, cover the dough using plastic until it expands about 30 minutes. After expanding, knead until there is no more air and shape the dough like a donut. Then fry. And serve using mashed topping.